OnPassive, the new good news. 2020 brought us some very good news, and that good news was that we live in a world of extreme uncertainty. No one knew what changes would occur this year, the next one, or even the one after. And because of the new global economy, we don't know where those changes and new realities will come from or how significant they'll be. When we look at it, especially with OnPassive, technological advances are happening with heart-stopping speed. The foundation of our current success could crumble virtually overnight. Change has always been with us, but today the speed of change is greater than ever before. And all evidence indicated that this uncertainty could have been with us for some time to come. But this is not just very good news for you. This is great news. Some see this chaotic world reality as a long uphill battle. Success to them means merely to not lose ground and survive. Those who hold that belief will, at best, merely survive. I, however, see the same realities from a completely different angle. With OnPassive, fast-paced change and uncertainty offer the greatest opportunities to achieve massive success. Business success, career success, financial success and personal success, all will succeed with the launch of OnPassive. These are times to think not of mere business or personal survival. This is the time to reach for success and prosperity. Breakthrough success and prosperity. We live in a new world of opportunity. And the rewards await the men and women who take advantage of the opportunity. The greatest certainties in uncertain times are opportunity and possibility. This has always been true. More millionaires were made during the Depression in the 1930s than any other period before that. World War II resulted in the greatest economic expansion and lifestyle improvements the world has ever seen. In the 1970s and 1980s, Japan dominated the world economy. This forced other countries to change and innovate their manufacturing methods, quality and efficiency. The results have been an economic rebirth for those who took advantage of the opportunities and possibilities that faced them. In 2021, OnPassive will introduce us to the essential strategies we will need to take advantage of the opportunities and possibilities that we now face. The strategies we need to maximize our business and personal actions. These strategies can be successfully applied in an uncomplicated, straightforward manner, or they can be taken to extremely high levels of sophistication as it is being made known to us on a daily basis. And we will be shown how to apply them to our business, our company, our own career and our life to produce more clients, more sales, more income, more profits, more loyalty, more distinction, more power and more success. Much of what OnPassive is focused on how we can improve our business life. But the strategies will also work in virtually any area of our lives, where we need to persuade others to accept our position or ideas. OnPassive shows us how to become a leader. A person who holds a position of respect and influence. It shows us how to get what we want. And how to get what we want in a totally ethical and honorable way. This is no time to retreat in fear. This is probably the greatest time of opportunity and possibility in our life. With OnPassive, we live in a new world of opportunity. And when the time comes for us to apply what OnPassive brings to us, we will live in a new world of success. Period. Henry Naiken, Seychelles. A Bill Must Production.